Why hello, dear viewers. Today just a short video, not exactly on the car, but on some tools that I've found, and I wanted to bring you this. Consider this a public service announcement. It's pretty current. These are some tools that I can only, recommend. I can't recommend them yet, to be honest, but I'll take a look at it. Just a brief overview, and then see if you like these for yourself. This might be helpful to all of you car enthusiasts or soon to be car enthusiasts. All of you people that are, if you're building your tool stash, if you're building, your arsenal of tools, if you will, these might be very helpful. Have a look out for them. If you have an ALDI near you, if you live in Europe, just like me, you might have an ALDI near you. They sell these tools currently. They could be very good helpers in the future. Have an eye out for those, okay? Let's get into it. Oh baby, it's a brand new work light by WorkZone, not a sponsor. Let's have a look. Oh, it's just like Christmas all over again, huh? All right. So they say it should come in a 2-pack, yeah. And it should also come with a USB charging cable. Oh, it's an adapter. Nice. And also USB charging cable. Okay. Well, I guess let us charge it. So I picked this up for $10. Yep, €10. It's currently at ALDI this week, as of the second week of February 25. I'll see if this is any good. I mean, it looks pretty alright. Batteries are here. There's a manual. And if you're just starting out as a car guy, car girl, as a car enthusiast, young or not so young anymore, doesn't really matter. If you don't have any real tools, any gadgets like this, I'll see if this is any good. Take off. You can take off these tip pieces, just put it aside, make sure you don't lose them. Okay, it's pretty good so far. I'm going to switch this on now, and there we go. Let's test for continuity. Let's test your leads first off. So what we do is we have set for continuity resistance test. We press select. It goes into this test. Now seems good. So I'll test these some more, and I'll let you know if these are really bad or if they'll just be good. Set this back to automatic. Switch it off. Okay. So much for the multimeter. Again, this is just around 10 euros, 10 bucks. And this I bought last week. The work zone. You can split them apart here. You can just put them together, twist and lock or unlock. And apparently these have magnets, so you can stick them to your engine hood. I'll test that. They're now fully charged, so you just switch them on. It goes full strength. You can switch them on to 50% strength. That'll be that. Right. Make sure my camera picks it up. And now they're off. Okay. That's it so much for this week's edition of helpful tools from ALDI. Right? Leave a like if you want to see more. Consider subscribing. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. Hey, bye!